Welcome back to my channel. Coin Spot today is best top 2 coins 1. You want to miss we're diving into the world of United States coins? Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. Top 1, the 2023 Greek 20 euro cent coin. Covering its design, history, production, symbolism, and other important aspects in long-form paragraphs overview of the 2023 Greek 20 euro cent coin. The 2023 Greek 20 euro cent coin is part of the official euro currency system used by Greece and other Eurozone countries. Greece adopted the euro in 2002, replacing the drachma, and since then has issued its own national designs on the common European coinage. Each denomination features a unique Greek motif on the obverse front, while the reverse back carries the standard European map design shared across all Eurozone nations. The 20-cent coin is made of a Nordic gold alloy, which gives it a distinctive yellow-gold color and helps differentiate it from the smaller denominations in both color and size. The coin weighs 5.74 grams, has a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, and features a Spanish flower-shaped edge with fine and dense design and symbolism, the obverse of the Greek 20-cent coin features an image of Ioannis Kapodistrias 1776–1831, key figure in modern Greek history. Kapodistrias was a prominent diplomat and statesman, originally from Corfu, who became the first governor of independent Greece after the War of Independence against Ottoman rule. He played a major role in shaping the modern Greek state and is regarded as a national hero. The portrait, rendered in fine detail, presents Kapodistrias in formal attire, symbolizing his status as both a visionary leader and a European diplomat. Surrounding the portrait are the words epsilon lambda, lambda eta, nu iota, kappa eta, delta eta mu, omicron kappa g, alpha tau, iota alpha, the year 2023. The mint mark of the Bank of Greece's mint, in Athens a reverse of the coin, is the common side used in all Eurozone countries. It was designed by Luc Leitz of the Royal Belgian Mint and displays a map of Europe that includes the European Union member states. The denomination 20 euro cent is prominently featured along with the stylized globe, conveying a sense of unity and cooperation among the EU nations. The design underwent a slight revision in 2007 to reflect the enlargement of the European Union, and the 2023 coin retains this updated format. Production and mintage Greek euro coins are minted by the National Mint of Greece, officially a branch of the Bank of Greece. Each year, the mint produces coins for circulation, collectors, and sometimes for commemorative purposes. As of 2023, the 20-cent coin is struck primarily for general circulation, though in smaller quantities compared to the more commonly used 1 and 2 euro coins. Mintage figures for the 2023 20-cent coin are not typically high due to the slow turnover of mid-denomination coins in circulation. However, a portion of the production is also made available in mint sets, which are popular among numismatists and collectors. These sets feature uncirculated coins with brilliant luster, protected in sealed packaging and often accompanied by certificates of authenticity circulation. And the 20-cent coin holds a moderate value in daily Greek and Eurozone commerce, is often used in combination with other coins to make up prices, particularly in parking meters, vending machines, and small retail transactions. Its distinctive edge design and medium size make it easy to identify by touch, which is especially helpful for the visually impaired. While electronic transactions have grown significantly in Greece since the 2010s, coins like the 20 cent remain essential for many cash-based transactions, especially in rural areas, public transportation systems, and traditional marketplaces. Cultural and historical significance. Ioannis Kapodistrias is a central figure in Greek modern history, and his inclusion on the 20-cent coin is a testament to his legacy. He was not only instrumental in laying the foundations of Greece as an independent state, but he also held a distinguished career as the foreign minister of Russia and a diplomat involved in the Congress of Vienna. His assassination in 1831 marked a tragic end to a reformist vision, but his memory continues to inspire national unity and European cooperation. By placing his portrait on the 20-cent coin, Greece symbolically emphasizes both its national identity and its commitment to the shared values of European Integration collectors and value. Though the 2023 Greek 20-cent coin is not rare, it is still of interest to coin collectors, especially those assembling year-specific euro collections in uncirculated or mint condition. The coin may fetch a slightly higher price than its face value, especially when included in official mint sets. The condition of the coin, as well as demand among euro coin collectors, influences its market value. Over time, certain low mintage years can become more desirable, particularly if they are linked to notable historical events or shifts in production. Trends where to find or purchase the 2023 Greek 20-cent coin can be obtained through circulation in Greece or through numismatic outlets. Many reputable coin dealers, both online and physical stores, offer Greek euro coin sets for collectors. Online platforms such as eBay, Numista, Mac Shops, and Vcoins often list coins individually or as part of sets. Official mint sets from the Bank of Greece or government-issued proof sets also include the 20-cent coin in pristine condition. For those in Greece, banks and post offices occasionally distribute new coins, especially during the first quarter of the year following mintage. Top to the 2020 Greek 20 cent coin, covering its design, production, historical context, symbolism, circulation, and collector information in long-form paragraphs. Introduction and overview. The 2020 Greek 20 cent coin is part of the standard Euro coin series issued by Greece, one of the member states of the Eurozone. Greece adopted the euro on January 1, 2002. Since then, has issued its own national sides for euro coins, as is permitted for all Eurozone countries. Each denomination from 1 cent to 2 euro features a unique design that reflects Greek culture, history, and national pride. The 20-cent coin specifically honors Ioannis Kapodistrias, a key figure in Greek political history and the first governor of Greece after its independence from the Ottoman Empire. As with all euro coins, the reverse side of the coin is a common European design shared by all Eurozone countries, obverse design honoring Ioannis Kapodistrias. Obverse front of the 2020 Greek 20-cent coin depicts a finely detailed portrait of Ioannis Kapodistrias 1776 to 1831. Kapodistrias was a visionary statesman, diplomat, and reformer. Born in Corfu when it was under Venetian rule, he rose to prominence in European politics, serving as a foreign minister of Russia and a delegate at the Congress of Vienna. In 1827, after Greece declared independence from Ottoman rule, he was appointed as the country's first head of state. He is credited with laying the foundations for the modern Greek state, organizing its administration, judiciary, education system, and military. Tragically, he was assassinated in 1831, an event that underscored the deep political divisions in the newly independent nation. Kapodistrias' inclusion on the 20-cent coin symbolizes Greece's struggle for independence and its aspirations for modernization and European alignment. His portrait is set against a smooth background. The words iota omega alpha, nu eta, sigma kappa, alpha pi, omicron delta, iota sigma, tau g, iota alpha sigma inscribed near the edge, along with epsilon lambda, lambda, eta, nu iota, kappa, eta delta, eta mu, omicron kappa, g, alpha tau, iota alpha Hellenic Republic, and the year of issue 2020. The mint mark of the Greek Mint. Bank of Greece's minting facility in Athens is also present. Traverse design, common euro design. Reverse side of the coin is the standard design used across all Eurozone countries for 10, 20, and 50-cent denominations. This side was designed by Luke, the likes of the Royal Belgian Mint. It features a map of Europe with the denomination 20 cent prominently displayed. The map symbolizes European unity and economic cooperation. The 20-cent coin, along with the 10 and 50-cent coins, has a distinctive edge referred to as the Spanish flower, a scalloped edge with 7 indentations that makes it easily distinguishable by touch specifications. In composition, the 2020 Greek 20-cent coin is composed of Nordic gold, an alloy made of 89% copper, 5% aluminium, 5% zinc, and 1% tin. Despite its name, it contains no actual gold. This alloy was chosen across the Eurozone for its durability, resistance to tarnish, and its golden color, which helps distinguish it visually from other coins. The coin has a mass of 5.74 grams, a diameter of 22.25 millimeters, and a thickness of 2.14 millimeters. Its distinctive edge and mid-range value make it a practical coin for daily use. Balancing visibility with convenience, mintage, and production in 2020, the Greek mint produced the 20-cent coin primarily for circulation, but it was also included in official mint sets and collector releases. The exact mintage numbers for the 2020 issue are publicly recorded by the Bank of Greece and the European Central Bank. That year saw relatively moderate production. Coin demand had slightly declined due to the increasing popularity of digital payments, especially during the COVID-19 pandemic. Still, the Greek 20-cent remained a standard part of everyday commerce. The coin was produced at the official Greek mint in Halandri, Athens, which is managed by the Bank of Greece. This facility is responsible for minting all Greek euro coins, and some collector metals and commemorative eschrokol and usage. The 20-cent coin is commonly used in Greek daily life, suitable for making change in markets, kiosks, public transportation, vending machines, and toll booths. While electronic payments have become more widespread, especially in urban centers, coins like the 20-cent remain indispensable in many aspects of Greek society, particularly in rural areas and among older populations. Due to its mid-range denomination, it is less frequently hoarded than smaller denominations and more frequently seen in actual circulation than higher denomination. Coins like the €2 coin cultural significance by featuring Ioannis Kapodistrias. The 2020 Greek 20-cent coin emphasizes a narrative of national rebirth and European diplomacy. Kapodistrias was a figure who embodied both Greek nationalism and European statesmanship. His role in shaping post-revolutionary Greece as a modern state continues to inspire admiration, and his inclusion on the coin connects modern Greek identity to its foundational 19th century roots. The coin also reflects Greece's place in the broader European project as a Eurozone country. Greece shares monetary policies and currency design standards with other EU nations, and the 20-cent coin stands as a physical symbol of that shared economic and political framework. Collector interest and value. While the 2020 Greek 20-cent coin is not considered rare, it is of interest to collectors assembling complete euro sets by year or by country. Uncirculated and proof versions, especially those included in annual mint sets or proof sets issued by the Bank of Greece, are more desirable to collectors. These sets often come in protective packaging with certificates of authenticity. The face value remains 20 cents. But collector versions can be worth €1 to €3, depending on condition and packaging. Coins with mint errors or unusually low mintage batches, if any, occurred in 2020, could carry higher value. But this is relatively uncommon for circulation coins where to find or buy online stores and shops. If you're looking to purchase the 2020 Greek 20 cent coin, especially in uncirculated or collector condition, there are several reliable sources. Bank of Greece official mint store offers mint sets, and occasionally individual coin iceways bay widely available, both as single coins and part of year sets. Prices range from face value to €3 plus. MA Shops, a trusted marketplace for European coins and sets. Numista provides detailed coin data and listings from global sellers and collectors. Vcoins offers euro coins from reputable numismatic dealers. EU occasionally lists euro coin sets, though availability varies in physical form. Greek coin shops in Athens or Thessaloniki, and some European numismatic expos also stock recent Greek euro issues. For collectors abroad, the easiest route is through reputable online marketplaces or directly from European mints and distributors. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.